HP 2019 14 inches laptop, Intel Core i3, 8GB memory minus 128GB solid-state drive HP 14CF0014DX. Review deal discount unboxing setup. I love this laptop. I am using it mainly for my schoolwork. I do full-time classes at university and some are online. I needed something light and fast that I could travel with. If you are looking for something that is a powerhouse laptop at this price point, you are fooling yourself. I am surprised I got this good of a deal on a laptop with a SSD in it. I bought this laptop with the mindset that I wanted something that was fast and could do a light workload because I have a powerhouse gaming desktop PC at home, so I did not need something over the top in a laptop. I also wanted it to be light for travel. If you are looking for something that will run high FPS games or Adobe products smoothly, I 100% don't recommend this PC. This computer can handle simple games. I like to play my time at Portia and it can run League of Legends, but most potatoes can, so it's not a gaming PC by any means, but you need to check the games themselves and see the lowest setting you can run them on, like you should if you are a gamer and wanting a new laptop. The size of the SSD is not the greatest, so if you do not use things like Google Docs that save to the cloud, you will be wanting to get an external drive or an SD card. I believe you can install a HDD on here, but am unsure and do not plan to myself. I have a 1TB external drive for if I need to move files between computers and as a general rule of just having my files backed up to several places. Pros. Boots up in seconds. Runs smooth for everyday light use, internet browsing, watching YouTube, Hulu, Netflix. Plays some games that don't need high graphics cards or processors. SD card slot so I can extend storage if need be. Has an Ethernet port and a HDMI port if you travel and want to put something on the bad hotel TVs. Cons. The bloatware, so dumb and useless. No others right now. Again, my review is based on this product at this price point. I didn't expect this PC to run a graphics-intensive game. I would never expect a $400 laptop to do so. I love that it came with an SSD. The storage is fine for my needs as I mainly use Google Docs for school and have an external drive. I have had no issues with the Wi-Fi on the laptop as of yet. I do not expect to. If you are looking for a laptop that will offer you speed and be a great travel companion if you are in college or travel for work, you should get this one. Last thing, I do recommend installing a fresh version of Windows 10 so you don't get the bloatware, or you can just uninstall the bloatware through programs and features. Up to you, but the bloatware you will get with almost any new laptop. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.